This game's so fun. What the heck, man? Woohoo! Ah! Oh, what the heck? It can swim? Oh, sorry, guys. I didn't know that you were here. I almost died. This is my first time ever using this thing. Oh, sorry guys, I haven't been talking. Die. No. Die. Just so you know, guys. Ow! Ooh, it's your fault. Not you guys, but oh, what will I use? Should I kill myself? This. I don't even know how I got this because this is supposed to be a mod. I realize this looks very different too. Looks like I'm playing in a PC, but I'm not actually playing in a PC. I just know how to do. My friend told me how to do, so I got it. I don't even want you anymore. Whoa! I'm drowning. No. Don't take my fire. You dumbass. Don't do that ever again to me. Anyways, today's Christmas, I guess. Oh. I didn't even know that they had a chest. Am I just gonna use the chest to get out? Fine. Whee! Hello guys, today's a rough start. I never went to do this. Sure, I wasn't creative. Don't get suspicious of me that like I went creative because I didn't. If you did, you're not cool. Sorry guys, I forgot to say to leave a like and subscribe. The bite, yes. Sorry, goose. I might have to end this game. It's been a rough start, I know. But I have to revive this guy and restart the whole series. This is an actual hardcore series, so I hope I don't die a lot. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just killed myself. Let's just do a quick start. Right guys? Someone does it. In this, like in another episode, I'm gonna build my own. What? Was it you, bunny? Was it you? What even is that sound? Wait, let me put the sound up. Yeah, that was kind of fun. I'm gonna have a lot of graphics in the next video. Like after these videos. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm gonna do it. The heck? I don't know what the heck was that, but I know, guys, I need more wood. Guys, in the next video, I'm gonna play with my friends and hardcore dudes. I'm gonna house in the next video. Alright, guys, I'll upgrade my houses. Don't worry, I won't be like a noob. No, I'm not a noob. I've been like playing Minecraft for like 10 weeks, and now I know it. I was happy. I'm Scotchy there. I'm spicy. I'm trying to say something here, so stop being really. It's nice, guys. Okay, guys. Just done with them. I know it's gonna take me, but this thing, yeah, it's money again. So if I just break this water, what? Die. Ooh. What game is this? What am I even getting? Anything? No. There's like nothing in here. Just this. I don't know what it is. Guys, it looks like I'm playing on phone, but I'm actually playing on PC. And don't know why it looks like this. Yeah, guys, please subscribe. In the next video, guys, I'm gonna play Silent. I can mod the game. I'm not dumb like some YouTubers that are dumb. Most of them are not dumb. Unlike me, I'm pro. I'm pro. Do you really need honey? Hey! Don't hit me. Don't talk me, you dummy. What the heck was that? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna provoke some guys. Sorry guys, I need to do something so nothing comes on the screen ever again. Like that. Guys, you guys should like have watched it, I guess. I'm so sorry. I'm never gonna get down there again. I don't have a virus, guys. It's just me saying that I'm sick, kind of sick. And when I'm And I met my best pal in 3 years. It was my best day. And I'm gonna teach him how to make his phone look like this. And I'm gonna play him. Honestly, I don't know how to play 2-player. You can play? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Did you guys see that? Guys, I'm gonna get 64 wood iron. I mean, 2 stacks. 2 stacks of wood and I'll be right back. 1 second. Back. Guys, just look at this. This is so funny. Wait, what was that? Wait. Guys, just look at this. It says everything I just wrote here.
Herobrian's bro says DJ JD JDHD Crux Nach FX Neef Sticks Neefnid Mayuk. JGFMHG Dunt Jardut Jadmudum Fkamu.
Where's Madam's Kamu? What? What the heck? I don't even say Madam's Kamu. Hey guys, sorry, I was just wanting to do that. So guys, I mined all this. Just so you know. And I have it all. And a lot of iron that I cooked up in a furnace. You guys would be surprised and think that I cheated and just got all the items. It's so much. I didn't make any armor and stuff with the iron, but I guess it's fun when you guys watch me make them, right? Let's just I'm gonna get them. So now guys, for the grand finale, you guys would think that you just cheated and got all of this, but it's not true. I did mind everything. I made a hole that I ran away from, but you know, yeah, this is what I got. It looks like I cheated, but seriously, I did not cheat. This is all I could find, so oh shoot, something like what the heck is all this? I think someone's trolling me. What the heck is that? Guys, in the next video, I'm gonna build a house. I know it's too much, but I'll build a house. So, bye guys.